If you've been trying to choose the right CRM software for your cleaning business, you already know the problem. There are too many options. Jobber, Housecall Pro, ZenMaid, and most of them either do one thing well or leave you stuck figuring out the rest on your own. You need more than just a tool. You need a complete system. That's where Go High Level stands out. It's a platform built for small business automation, combining CRM, follow-ups, scheduling, and client pipelines all in one place. At WebII, we've taken Go High Level and built a full system on top of it, designed specifically for cleaning business owners. It includes booking flows, lead capture, quote sequences, review requests, and a visual CRM, all connected and pre-built for you. So when you compare CRM software side by side, the difference is clear. You can either start from scratch or start with a system that's already working. Click the link in the description to access the WebIB AI system for Go High Level and see how real automation is supposed to feel.